Safety is paramount in the home appliance and lighting industry. The glow wire test is used to simulate heating effects that might arise in malfunctioning electrical equipment caused by an overloaded connection or component that is overheating. The glow wire test method of IEC 60695 or UL94 are designed to evaluate the flame-resistant properties of plastic materials used in electrical devices. Glow wire testing is performed by energizing a heating element to a predetermined temperature. The heating element is referred to as the glow wire. The specimen under test is fixed in place, and a thin cotton fiber cloth or tissue paper is positioned directly below the sample. After reaching the predetermined temperature, the element is then inserted and pressed into the specimen under a preset force of 1 Newton for 30 seconds. If ignition occurs, measurements are made according to the ignition start time, duration, flame height, and in the case of drips, note regarding if the drips ignited or charred the fibers of the tissue paper.